Hello viewers, again welcome this amazing video. In this video we're gonna show you the craftic and beautiful ideas of recycled bottles, recycled craft. It is a very good thing. It is a very necessary thing for our planet, for our ocean, for coming generation. It's very necessary to recycle our grabs. So this in this video we show you the beautiful ideas and beautiful designs, and hope you like that all ideas and designs. You can craft your bottles. Everybody has mason jars, everybody has jam jars, pickle jars, leftover pieces. So don't trash it. Make trash into treasure. Turn trash into treasures. Make some ordinary things into extraordinary. See in is a blank canvas. See as a blank canvas of these bottles, and make some new, make some craftic things, make some newly things, and show the world how creative you are. You can grow your business as well in this from this artistic things. So viewers, this video gonna take you to the world of a very beautiful artistic world, and you can make in this season, in this festival, you can make some different and unique by getting ideas from this video. So taking idea, taking access, make some different with your child. Even your child feel better, even your child feel good for making something newly, and put some fairy lights on it. Put some fairy lights, add some fairy lights, add some mixing things, some beads, some salty, and this is ready for this season. This season is full of joy and happiness. Beautiful artistic crafting bottle craft ideas, very beautiful designs, very beautiful decorations for upcoming season, upcoming festive creation. So hope you like these designs and ideas. In this video we will show you the best crafting collection, and easy to make your recycle these bottles. Don't throw away these bottles, and try to recycle it. It is good for our planet, and it's a basic necessity for our planets, for upcoming generation. So coming generation we have to do that for them. Recycle things. Recycle. These are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, very beautiful ideas, and it can make your home centerpiece. It can make your home centerpiece, and it can become a lantern. You can make it. You can make it very beautiful pencil holder, pen holder, lantern, light, and what you will do, what you have to do something. These type of tips I want to give you. Take a plain bottle who you thrown away, but take it and take it as a blank canvas. So what will you do with the blank canvas? So take it, wash it, and dry it for 15 minutes, and add some painting colors, glass colors, and whatever you want to make, salty and snow, whatever you want to make, you have to do that. And after that, take some colors, make some snowman, take some beautiful mountain, and cozy and warm touch. And after that you will touch it, put some fairy lights on it. Put some fairy lights, and it will be a beautiful lantern. You can hang it on walls, you can hang it on tree, backyard, and it will be really beautiful and very welcoming and cozy. When guests will come and say, "Who made this?" and you proudly say that I made it, and it would be a pure dopamine creation of your mind when you make it. So when you make this type of things, your mind is going to be free and stress free, and beautiful feelings you feel inner side. So next step is take a plain bottle, and either it's plastic or glass, and after that wrap it with jute or burlap. Burlap is the second name of jute. So take some jute wrap and make it with wrap it with jute, and after that you have to put on rope on the neck of bottle. Wrap some tie knot with jute rope and add some bead work and add some cherry style stones and beautiful collection what you want to make. So you can get best and best ideas from this video, and you can take essays, you can make snowy ideas, you can wrap with jute and snow. So most of the ideas is beneficial for you, and you can make centerpiece with these type of bottles, and you can craft with it and recycle bottles. So viewers, what do you think about these bottles? I think this is very cool and impressive ideas in this collection in this video. Hope you enjoy the all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't throw away your bottles. Keep crafting. Happy crafting, my crafters. So viewers, thank you so much for watching. Watching this. May your life and home fulfilled with happiness, and spread happiness, spread easiest things. The more you give, the